Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you yet another delicious Masoor Pulao. We always make vegetable biryani, vegetable pulao, but here is Masoor Pulao just waiting for you. So let's get started with the ingredients. For delicious and healthy red lentils, which is Masoor Pulao, we need all these ingredients. I've taken about 1.5 cups of red lentils, which is Masoor. I washed and soaked it overnight, drained out the water, and this is how they sprouted in about 1 day. So you can do it with the sprouted because it's very healthy. And this is 1.5 cups of basmati rice. I've washed and soaked it here in the water for about half an hour. We need 1 large onion thinly sliced, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 large tomato roughly chopped, coriander for garnishing. Biryani pulao masala, but you can have garam masala as well. It's about 1.5 tablespoons, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and about 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 green cardamom, 1 big cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, some cumin seeds, and 7 to 8 black pepper, cashews for garnishing, and some green peas and carrot chops for garnishing again. So this is just to add colors to the pulao. Of course, we need some oil and pure ghee. Big pan here. Let's add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, let's add some cumin seeds, peppercorns, add onion, stir it until golden brown. Time to add ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons. Mix it well and cook it till its raw smell comes down. Time to add all 4 dry powders, which is salt, biryani pulao masala, red chili powder, and turmeric. Mix it well, and in about 1 minute we're going to add the sprouted masoor, which is sprouted red lentils. Saute it really well. Let all the spices incorporate with the sprouted masoor. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Time to add soaked rice. It's about 1.5 cups of rice. Saute it well. You can add any vegetables if you would like. Time to add tomatoes. So while I'm mixing this together really well, I have added 3 cups of water in the saucepan, and in about 5 to 7 minutes, once the water is warm, I'm going to add the water in the rice. Alright, so my water is hot. So this is gonna just get the rice cooked really fast. So I have added 3 cups of water. As I said, 1.5 cups of rice. So we need about double the water. We don't want to make the rice mushy, so about double water is good enough. So let's mix this well, and now let the water evaporate a little, and then we are going to cover it for about 7 to 8 minutes. So this is the time to check if the salt, red chili powder, if everything is good, or you can add it. Okay, so as you can see, the water is evaporated, and now I'm going to cover it for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium high. So in the meantime, as you can see, I have taken a small pan here. I'm going to get the cashews fried in ghee. Alright, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. And we are going to fry these cashews in there. This fried cashews have an ultimate flavor. You would just really love it. Add it. Make it like golden brown, just for about half a minute. As you can see, time to take them out. Just like that, just slightly golden. Here, I don't have fried onion, but you can make fried onions and top it up as like how we do it on biryani. Alright, so in about 10 minutes, this is how it looks. Look at that. Beautiful. Pulao is ready. I'm going to add the green peas. I want to preserve the color, so that's why I didn't put it earlier, and they are so soft and don't need much time to cook. So that's it. And as you know, the ghee, which is leftover ghee from the fried cashews, I'm going to just pour it just like that, just for a nice flavor. And 1 more spoon. Beautiful. Now I'm going to plate it out and let's garnish. Okay, so our Masoor Pulao is ready. Look how delicious this looks. Beautiful. You can have it with some yogurt or just make raita, and that's it. That's a whole complete meal for us. 1 pot dish and quick and easy method. Alright, so let's serve this now. Here you go. Take some cashews. Beautiful color, isn't it? Wow, look at this. Here you go. Alright, while I'm going to enjoy this, I would like to say thank you for watching my recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland again. And of course, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. If you have not subscribed yet, please try to subscribe. Don't you like this 1 pot dish? Oh my god, look at this. This masoor, the sprouted masoor or sprouted red lentils are so perfectly cooked. Look at this color of this rice. Beautiful, flavorful, and most healthy recipe. I'm sure you're gonna try this home because this is really easy recipe. So do try it at home and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye.